Ever wondered how you could earn extra money while studying full-time? It's a question that piques the curiosity of many, and the answer lies in the intriguing world of side hustles. Picture this: you're a student, juggling your academics and perhaps a social life, but you want to earn some additional income. The thought is enticing, but immediately, a couple of roadblocks spring to mind. The first, time management. How do I balance my studies with a side job? The second, financial investment. Do I need to have a hefty sum saved up to start a side hustle? Well, in this video, I am going to reveal the truth about these common misconceptions. We often believe that managing a side hustle while studying full-time is akin to walking a tightrope. But the reality is, with the right side hustle, you can create a balance that works for you. It's all about finding something you're passionate about and that fits into your schedule. As for the financial aspect, the notion that you need a lot of money to start a side hustle is a myth. Yes, some ventures require an initial investment, but there are plenty of options that require minimal to no upfront costs. But if I tell you that there are 6 side hustles that you can start with minimal investment, would you be interested? These are not just any side hustles, but ones specifically tailored for students, allowing you to not only earn an income but also develop valuable skills and potentially create a business that could thrive beyond your student years. So, get ready to break free from the misconceptions and explore the exciting world of side hustles. Stay tuned and let's dive into the first one. The first side hustle is content creation. Suppose you have a passion for a particular topic and enjoy sharing your thoughts about it. Say, you are a film enthusiast, a tech geek, or a fitness buff. You've got this treasure trove of information and experiences you'd love to share with the world. Sounds familiar? Well, welcome to the world of content creation. Now, a lot of folks believe that content creation is only for the experts. They think, I'm not a professional, so who would want to hear from me? But here's the thing. You don't have to be an expert. You just have to be passionate and authentic. People resonate with authenticity more than anything else. Another common misconception is that content creation requires a lot of time. Yes, it does require commitment, but it's not about churning out content day and night. It's about consistency. Start small, maybe with a weekly blog post or a monthly video. The key is to keep at it, to keep sharing, and to keep engaging with your audience. Now you might be wondering, how do I overcome these challenges? Well, the first step is to pick a topic you are passionate about. Something you could talk about for hours without getting bored. Next, create a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Remember, consistency is key. And finally, keep learning. The more you learn, the more you can share with your audience. So, what's in it for you? Why should you dive into content creation? Well, apart from the joy of sharing your passion, there are tangible benefits too. As you build your audience, you open doors to sponsorships, consulting calls, and a variety of other monetization avenues. But more importantly, you build connections, you inspire, you engage, and you create a space for dialogue and discussion. Imagine being paid for doing what you love. That's the beauty of content creation. The second side hustle is content curation. Suppose you have a knack for finding interesting content related to a specific niche. You're the one who always has the latest news, the most intriguing articles, and the funniest memes. But did you ever think this could be more than just a hobby? Welcome to the world of content curation. Now, there's a common misconception that content curation isn't a viable business model. Some people think it's simply about reposting other people's work, but that's not true. Content curation is about finding, organizing, and sharing the best and most relevant content in your niche. It's about adding value to your audience by saving them time and providing them with consistent, quality content. So how can you turn this into a side hustle? The first strategy is to focus on a specific niche. Whether it's enamel pins, vegan recipes, or indie video games, the key is to find a topic that you're passionate about and that has an engaged audience. Next, consistency is king. You need to regularly provide valuable content. This doesn't mean you have to post every day, but you do need to establish a schedule that your audience can rely on. Lastly, don't forget to engage with your audience. Answer their questions, ask for their opinions, and foster a sense of community. This will not only help you build a loyal following, but also attract potential sponsors interested in reaching your audience. And yes, you heard right. Monetization is definitely achievable in content curation. Sponsorships and sales are 2 of the most common ways to monetize a curated content platform. For instance, if you run a popular Instagram account focused on enamel pins, relevant brands might be interested in sponsoring your posts, Or you could even launch your own line of pins. With content curation, you can turn your knack for discovery into a profitable endeavor. The third side hustle is service-based business. Suppose you have a skill that others may find valuable. This could be anything from graphic design to research, writing, or even website design. You're looking at the foundation of a service-based business. Now, one common misconception about service-based businesses is that you need to have advanced skills or extensive experience to get started. But that's not necessarily the case. In reality, you can start with basic services and gradually expand your skill set as you gain more experience and confidence. So, what's an effective strategy to overcome this misconception and start your service-based business? Start small. Offer a service you're comfortable with, and gradually add more services as you improve your skills and gain more confidence. You might start with designing simple logos, and eventually offer complete branding packages. Another strategy is to constantly learn and improve. The world is changing fast, and so are the skills in demand. So, stay on top of industry trends and continuously upgrade your skills. This way, you'll always be in demand. As you grow your service-based business, you'll also need to learn how to market yourself and your services effectively. This might involve creating a professional website, leveraging social media, or even networking in your local community. Now, why is this strategy beneficial for you? Well, a service-based business can provide immediate income. Unlike other side hustles that might require a significant time investment before you see any returns, offering a service allows you to start earning right away. Plus, it's a scalable business model. As you improve your skills and expand your services, you can increase your rates and earn more. Remember, a service-based business isn't just about making money, it's about using your skills to provide value to others. It's about being your own boss and having the freedom to work when and where you want. So, if you have a skill that others might find valuable, why not turn it into a service-based business? A service-based business allows you to earn from your skills, paving the way for financial independence. The fourth side hustle is remote sales representative. Suppose you are good at convincing people and enjoy interacting with them. Now imagine leveraging these skills to make money right from the comfort of your home. Welcome to the world of remote sales representatives. There's a common misconception that this role is stressful, that it involves constant rejection and high pressure. But here's the thing. Like any job, it can be, but it doesn't have to be. The key lies in your approach. It's about understanding that you're not just selling a product or service, you're providing solutions to your clients' needs. And guess what? When you solve people's problems, they're more likely to appreciate your efforts and engage with you. So how do you succeed as a remote sales representative? Understanding your product or service inside out is your first step. Research, ask questions, and learn as much as you can. This will not only boost your confidence but also make you a reliable source of information for potential clients. Next, build good relationships with your potential clients. Remember, sales is not just about one-off transactions, it's about establishing trust and rapport. Be genuine, show empathy, and listen actively to your clients' needs and concerns. This will help you offer them the most suitable solutions and, in turn, increase your chances of making a sale. Finally, don't forget to follow up. A gentle reminder about your product or service can sometimes be the nudge a potential client needs to make a purchase. But remember, be respectful of their time and decision. Now, let's talk benefits. As a remote sales representative, you can earn a base salary plus commission. This means that the more you sell, the more you earn. But it's not just about the money. You also get to improve your communication and negotiation skills, which are transferable and valuable in pretty much any career you choose to pursue down the line. So, if you're a people person with a knack for persuasion, why not consider becoming a remote sales representative? As a remote sales representative, you can earn while improving your communication and negotiation skills. The fifth side hustle is product creation. Suppose you have an idea for a product that could cater to a specific niche. Product creation is an exciting side hustle that beckons the creative and the innovative among us. But hold up, let's address some of the misconceptions first. Many believe that creating a product requires a huge investment, an elaborate setup, or a team of experts. That's not always the case. In reality, all you need is a solid idea and a passion to see it come to life. You can start small, with a limited production run, and gradually scale up as you receive feedback and improve your product. There are countless stories of entrepreneurs who started in their garage or kitchen and went on to build successful businesses. Now let's delve into effective strategies to succeed. Start by identifying a specific problem that your product can solve. This could be anything from a gadget that makes life easier, to a piece of art that adds beauty to people's homes. Next, create a prototype, get feedback, and refine your product until it meets the needs and desires of your target audience. Remember, feedback is your friend. It's the key to creating a product that truly resonates with people. Finally, let's look at the potential benefits. Product creation allows you to bring your ideas to life, to make something tangible that can positively impact people's lives. It also opens up the potential for significant profits. Once you've covered your production costs, every sale contributes to your bottom line. It's a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to learn. But the rewards can be immense. So, if you've ever dreamed of seeing your ideas come to life, product creation might just be the side hustle for you. Product creation allows you to bring your ideas to life and profit from them. The sixth side hustle is freelance skills. Suppose you have skills in high-demand areas like web design, coding, writing, or consulting. Many may tell you that freelancing is a path fraught with instability and uncertainty. And it's true, freelancing does come with its own set of challenges. But let's not forget, it also presents unique opportunities. Misconceptions often cloud the reality of freelancing. It's not just about living in your pajamas or working from beachside cafes. It's about discipline, continuous learning, and adaptability. Uncertainty? Yes, it's part of the package, but so is every other job. To overcome these challenges and thrive as a freelancer, you need effective strategies. Building a strong portfolio is one. This is your showcase, your ticket to gaining trust and securing projects. Remember, quality trumps quantity. A few well-executed projects can speak volumes about your capabilities. Networking is another crucial strategy. Connect with other freelancers, join communities, attend relevant events. These interactions can lead to collaborations, referrals, and even friendships. So, how does this all benefit you? Freelancing offers flexibility like no other. You decide when to work, where to work, and whom to work with. But it's not just about personal convenience. Financially, freelancing can be quite rewarding. High-demand skills often command high rates. Freelancing gives you the freedom to work on your own terms while earning a good income. It's not for everyone, but if you're someone who values independence and is willing to put in the effort, freelancing could be your golden ticket to a fulfilling career. So, you've learned about 6 potential side hustles that you can start as a student. We've explored content creation, a fantastic way to build an audience and monetize your passions. Don't be fooled by the misconception that it's an easy ride. Consistent and valuable content is key. Then there's content curation, a hustle that leverages your knack for organization and niche trends. Remember, originality is your secret weapon here. We also touched on service-based businesses, where your skills like graphic design or writing can yield immediate income. Don't underestimate the value of your talents. We discussed working as a remote sales representative, a role that can hone your communication skills while earning. But don't forget, a good sales rep listens more than they speak. Product creation offers a platform for your unique ideas, from enamel pins to digital courses. Just remember, knowing your niche market is half the battle. Lastly, we delved into freelance skills, a flexible path that could lead to high earnings. Don't let the fear of competition deter you. There's always room for quality work. Reflect on these hustles, consider your skills and interests, and choose a path that resonates with you. Remember, the perfect time to start is now. Turn your skills and passions into profits with these side hustles. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge of these side hustles, it's time to take action. You've got the tools, the ideas, and now all that's left is to get started. Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back. Remember, every successful journey starts with a single step. Don't wait for the perfect moment, create it. Start your side hustle today and turn your dreams into reality. We hope that this video has given you some inspiration and actionable insights. If you found value in this content, please like this video, share it with your friends who might also be interested in starting a side hustle, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Your support helps us create more informative and engaging videos. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but once you take it, the journey becomes an adventure. So take that first step, start your side hustle today, and create the life you've always wanted. We're here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.